Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special. And guys, in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby official here. So guys, on today's videos are very special, and I've been in Mombasa, the second city in Kenya. And guys, my last day, I have received a call from my mama, and I had to left Mombasa immediately. And guys, even today, I supposed to be in Mombasa, but my mama calling me, guys. Oh, your bike have been got some problem here and there, and then there's no money since you left. So I had to rush from Mombasa, come back to my village. Although yesterday I arrived safely from Mombasa up to my village. I thank God for our good journey, or for our good travel. So it's not an easy journey, guys. 20 hours from Mombasa to my village, and I came back home. My mama got surprised, and then I made a videos very in the morning. I took my bike to border town, and then I fixed it here and there, and then maybe changing the sprockets. You've been there, guys, watching the videos, but I have the different shots. So today I made the videos with this shirt. Also today, maybe tomorrow, I think I made a video with this shirt. So also today I made a video with this shirt, but I'll add the videos which I made when I arrived home immediately. So the video is coming. Please, guys, stay tuned, watch these videos till the end, and leave the sweet comment, guys. And the good thing is, guys, when you find my videos, any videos that have any ads, guys, please don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby official, watching my videos, like, comment, and also watching my ads. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back home, and then things have been changed. Mama, say hello. That's my mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, babe.
Poa.
Maisha yanakupelekaje?
Poa sana.
Yes, guys, that's my mama. I was in Mombasa a little bit, and then, guys, I came home. I found things have been totally messed. I give the guy my motorbike, and then misuse my bike. So I gonna renovate it again, and then give my second guy. Twende bana. Aya, tutaya. Tageka kora wiwe. Guys, we need those people who are serious. Urasi kangora songorokai. Yanu kyoki hangero okay. Engore yukusura kana. Igo. Right. Let my brother say hello. Hello. Because it's been a while. You good?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Imagine, guys. Senigi hingero.
Ngotevi gopo harusi. Iya yendo nina muguta. Urute. Yendo nina muguta.
Taruta.
Turuta ibi yano tuimba kabora.
Uyu. Tatori yichi amaguta.
Tatori.
Mabwa.
Final haji.
Mabwa mu.
Mahantra bhani biya gan.
Tingera hapo toke. Bado kinera kwa krr. Eri tuki sukume.
Ampera sukuma memba kabora.
Bado ntora agine ba krr. Okay, niga tui. Let's go. Achancha tui. Ndate pia tumulishora yogi. Non tore kar non kiana yo. Ntura temba kanto te. Guys, I wanna walk and then making the videos. Imagine, guys, imagine. I give somebody my motorbike, to give me some a little bit cash, and then he totally misuses my bike, guys. But all in well, everything will be okay. As long as he misuses my bike, he didn't wash them. Look how it looks like. Anyway, let's go. Eta kelengara monaga tuyo Jerusalem. Let's go, guys. Mora. Vivian Musharaka Yaragio Gabuya. It is Kuproket you. Let's go. When I get money, I'll buy the cover and then I fix everything. Come on, I was not again. The manure, a cumbra, uchunga, and a pen. Can't I go to get to Ramaka? Okay, guys. Imagine, even guys, I arrived today. I haven't been settled, guys. You know, I think things will be okay on my side. But, man, this is the challenge that I'm passing here. You know, imagine. Okay, let's go. Nendo chong ko kanyero angire gut.
Ntaka angire gut ula. Umangi tu. Yo manyiriga. Kutoka ndeni kwa.
Niko kandi mapema. Ningira sala muguta boda gamia. Antana ntero kubigi bigi.
Akumono kata.
That's the mess come. Tita yo. Wow. Hey, imagine guys, this bike, you know, when I bought a new one, I said this one will give my mama like a little bit cash for the shopping, you know, and then the guy misuse. And also guys, imagine he was my cousin. I give him my bike. I said, okay, you just hustle this bike, looking for the money, you put something on table, and then the rest of the money just give to my mama. When I go to Mombasa, when I come back, my mama told me he never give my mama any little money, guys. I said okay. And then he returned my bike, I think by yesterday morning. No money, you know, no fuel. Okay guys, let's go. You know, it shows you guys when I'm not around in my home, things will be totally mess. E.g., you wanna see my bike, how it have been looked like, and imagine guys, imagine, you know, my cousin he doesn't have anything, guys. 0, 0, 0. I said, take my bike, ride, you bring cash to my mama. Let's go. Marapunguza muziki wako bana. Heading with my brother, pushing the bike. And guys, I wonder my brother didn't know how to ride.
Oh, I know.
You know, Muita know how to ride a bike.
Who?
Our third, Sammy.
I'm the
Our
only
third
one
brother.
who is remaining.
You're the one who remaining behind.
But I know. It's only that I'm somehow coward. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. And let me tell you one thing, guys. When I go to Mombasa, I found the KK, you know, 100%. The KK like used to be transporting people, but here it's the motorbike. Right, we push it up to border town, guys, and then I'll buy the sprockets. After the sprockets, we do everything, and then we're gonna wash it right now. Like no gas. Oh my god, even right now guys, I'm totally confused where I'm going to start and where I'm going to finish up, because no gas on that bike. And then which thing missing? Like the sprocket, I have been spoiled, you know. Wow, so the bike can't work. Anyway, let's go. Right there, there's a church. You can see. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah, As a human being, I wanna pass challenges, guys, here and there. Or to be a boss, you wanna face challenge, guys, here and there. You know. For good, let's go. Koro ko mbuya kore.
Kono kono.
Abona ko nenga kore mbuya kore. Wawe ngokore. We're in Mombasa. I found this is the millipede, the bigger one, but this one is small. Maybe that one, it's because of the cost. Centipede? Yeah. In Mombasa we found the bigger one. That one is the small. It's because of they are living the Indian Ocean. Full of green. When I'm in city, guys, we never see this one. Maybe you go to the coastal beaches like Diani, you see maybe coconuts on the greens, only that, and some maybe beautiful trees. But here, whoo, everywhere. Let's move on, guys. Me, I'm ready for the guy who need a job and who need money, like to hustle with the bike and putting something on the table.
The municipal.
The municipal. No, that's a dump site.
They show the flamingos.
Yeah. Just over there, but my camera didn't zoom. Okay, let's go, guys. Hey, right, let's go. Yeah, when I'm in Mombasa, I walk a lot, especially in Diani. I walk. Hey. Village life.
That is kasongo moja.
Na Lois na amo. Tabu. I see brother Dag right there.
Brother Dag under control.
Let's go. Hey, touch. Adam kupuri. Guys, I see brother Dag right there. Taturu tambe. Say hello.
Hello, my friends.
This way because of this.
Yeah, this is brother Dagi from Nyabohanse village. For the first time, guys, if you're a new one on this channel, I'm a content creator also. You can go in YouTube channel, search brother Dagi and subscribe to my YouTube, guys. Show me a little bit kind of love, you know. Yeah, I'm right now with Hello Baby. Remember, he was
I'm just
Mombasa. Welcome back home, my brother.
Yes.
How is the journey was?
The journey was so good.
I saw you in ocean.
Yes, I can't complain.
Just enjoying, man.
Yes, but it's tough. The journey,
you know.
20 hours.
Yeah,
you can see like this one.
Yeah.
And then I come back home. I found a lot of things have been totally lost.
Yeah. So my good people, if you are watching this channel, don't forget to check out brother Dagi. Subscribe,
So
show me love.
me, I'm tired. You can put me there.
Where are you going?
Me, I'm totally tired.
Yes.
So me, I come home. I was given one of my
home. I pick GoPro and then we'll come out.
Okay. So guys, things take a U-turn. Brother Dagi confused me. All right. You see, this is matatu. You know, in Mombasa, from here up to Mombasa,
yes,
it's 20 good hours.
20 good hours.
I'm telling you, 20 good hours. Like I arrived here yesterday and then
You know, even me, I need to.
So, brother Agi, I arrived here today.
Yeah, you are alive here today.
And then my mama told me yesterday my cousin returned the motorbike, you know, no money. Imagine 4 days. He didn't pay my mama money. And then he spoiled my bike, no gas, you know.
Yeah, sorry for that. That's how things happening in the village. That's how things happening in the village. You know, young boys, they're having a lot of stories.
Yes.
You know, even my motorbike, I give one of my friend, he requesting me to assist him. But when he returned it, by the time that he spoiled everything.
Yeah, I'm telling you, my bike, when I was having that bike, it looked like a brand new. And then service have been well, but the day, you know, I cut off the story because no business to do again.
You have to be careful because nowadays these boys in the village, they're having a lot of dramatic stories. So you have to be very careful.
Imagine guys, 4 days without like putting the money to my mama. Imagine, and then he spoiled my bike. I'm going to use around $50 to make that bike, and then it can able to run, you know. Anyway.
Yeah, so guys, welcome in our village. Right now we are lucky. The government just decorate our road again. Right now we can pass
Easily. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so keep it locked. We shall meet in the border town. Show you how my bike have been
Yeah, things is so hard. Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome to Brother Dagi's home. You know, wow, I love these trees, guys.
See my sugar cane, they are just growing.
Yes, right there.
It's because of a lot of rain. I came to realize that. Guys, welcome. We are at home right now.
Yes, I love these trees because they're whistling so nice.
How is life?
Life is good.
Yeah, that is good.
Outside there, life is good, but it needs somebody to have a lot of money to enjoy.
Yeah, to spend it. You know, when you travel to the new place, you have to use money so that you can stay there.
Sure.
So it's not easy, you know. Yeah, me, like, I personally know. Mama, yeah, my mom, she's outside.
Right there. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you're good, ma'am. I'm good.
Okay.
Salam, mama. What a town for you guys. You know, I was missed this place. Right now I'm back. I'm back to my home ground. You know, V-Power chef right there. I'm telling you. Oh, okay. Hey, I wonder from I think from the month of March up to now. See that truck? Whoa. Whoa. From March, guys, the maize is coming from Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Uganda. You know, see all these roads here. That's full of bags of maize right here. Hey, imekuja Kenya. Yeah, I'm telling you guys. Let me show this side. You see, full of bags of maize. You know, no jokes, guys. Fresh. Wow. This is a business center. You know. Missing border town, guys. So finally I'm here.
Around Skoke.
Today I think it's on Wednesday. Yeah guys, subscribe to my channel. You know, back to my home ground. Let's go. But I'm heading this way to check my bike. That one here. Wow. Let's see them. Isimu nyumbere usipige tu simu. Akupatia ramji. Tas eno ni yae. Man. Temu kiko ramji usukeko. Bono. Nothing to be shortcut. Utu no tore man.
Let us plug at your planning.
Nerenga.
Ya Honda. Eh? Ata hiyo. Ya mimi shingapi?
Irenga. Okay. Karibuna kia kori bibigende.
Ego limenyingi bro. Era mura ninyo. Ni onkro kuiga.
Sema mambo mwezi niku.
Muongo mura.
Sawa.
Ego bro kienda. Fanya mabi.
Leta
baba.
Kini wewe sawa mura. Mimi napenda kuikara mji. Toa utoro.
Sasa bora ningudura kwa hiyo bali tu.
Ahande?
Ano bene sprogeti ben?
Nora ikari go muramulisha uransari bibigi yani.
Atu break bono. Kato ekor ki muma shoku choma daga chogi. Baki basu mwa.
Tana masenti ni cho. Kwa hiyo wakora ko mahan.
Atu chira basi ngura. Tara ko atu chira basi ni chinde.
Marato tutora kwanza.
Nani le?
Atora meno atore kwanza.
Atora mano ya tangu nega.
Aki na moto ato era muji.
Mano na aru ki tora.
Yeah. My bike have been spoiled, guys. Look.
How are you hapa?
Dagi. Tadi rimenyucha, tatabege daorat. So guys, I need to change this stuff. You know, I've totally messed everything. Maneno ni oro chinchi.
Yuko sawa huyu.
Man. Yeah. Don't call the biggie.
Well, so you about this project is serious for
Okay. Ninto shimeni na mura kurete gasi.
Gabanda ino nkoko bachira mwe.
Maji shoku chino. Chuchogi chutuni chisirimo. Chisiri bosu chutora ma. Makuzisire we. Siri miami, siri miambiri. Okara uchiyo guko. Ochi echisiri. Mobara babo ko ba.
Miambiri chio se miami.
Ochiri che miambiri kana kurangana kebris proketine bita fawu.
Let's practice shortcut.
Kana be kegen kene bita.
Ora tuture maraba no kwanza.
Maraba no atotora. Oi karako. Niño huyo. Ate hombi. Ayo na ndio turuana na.
Yeah. Tahamori bigitandi bi. Guys, we need to change this one. We fixed the new one. You know.
Ati wangu sara muta ni angera.
Anero mahenero.
Yeah. Vini kuhir.
Man, respect yanyo yakwa.
Sabini.
Yeah man. Ne guremba change kan. So this is a new one. Take this one. Na guremba change to come. Yeah. Ne respect no ba change. Mahe. Ne he attentive. Na mbele ramji na go. Yeah man. Yeah, there's one go tape. No ramji na go because I'm telling him about the Ramji company.
Turu we no ma yere ngi chi. Yeah. Yeah what? Yeah. Yeah mu we bare. Kana ni tini yani ne.
Okay, man, I'm telling him to remove this stuff from here. Say hello. Hapa kazi tu, man. Taruh kubibi ini apa kore guys? Kita no ikor arak. Things have really messed up.
Agora tu tiras que ari. Mas eu não vou ganhar agora. Tiras que tu chongu que tibi. Compris.
Things have really messed when I'm arriving in my village. So right now I'm trying to renovate my bike and then give also my brother here. So I think they wanna fix this rubber.
Yes.
Here. I fixed them, I wash. Manu kavero ni renga ba kushona. Simi ambil.
Iya, urinya na miyatat.
Miyatat.
Tasani iya. Ene ndo ni mane.
Angotwana na ngudi mukege kwa. When I have $10, I'll fix those covers. You know, total mess, guys. See right here. Huh? This one corre. Kakaramuaga. Manu, start at him. That's my brother right here. Yeah. I bet you Raseti have more. Mura.
Betri asire.
So guys, we need to change this. We put new one. They go rush that. Shit, I'm not shit. No cover the camera, man. Tomati. Yeah, we take this one, then we put new one. I love this guy because guys, he do a nice job.
Porque estamos vendo a chama.
Baru kau nak koris video nderong kore nona wan.
Usul koran Turkey.
Motoran dati kuria. Guys, I'm telling him, I shoot a lot of video here. Then
Young broker.
he uploaded the way he is. These are sprocket. Wanna get on here? You answer it. Okay. So my brother, you collect the second stuff. Yes. Mereka yang kuning ini Cina titi yang kita kuning aku.
This is original. We back into original.
Yeah, this is the new one, guys. The old one. We collect everything. We sold in scrapers.
Down in there.
And even then, you might just look at your kupuna.
Kamu suruh yuk nomor tenaga kuda temici.
Kira nih kamu ditayar lagi karena Desember. So this is tayari ni mapana maki baru fix man. Chap kidogo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, this is the tire. You're gonna fix it.
Mana tu gintore.
Mama rapa mo kare manu turu siri mo ma. Woi, ma hatanda ni mo.
Broker. This man is broker.
Tengo como te mano con coro de gas y so tú que te me oír musuma agora, fresh barita.
Olha, yo.
How do you see? Yes. Bueno, güey, como que amo. ¿Te gusta rengar aquí mo gotote? Hey, what are you buying? Yeah. Look at this, guys. So I just bought this, you know. Wow. This is for the shock up, front shock up, you know. Business everywhere. Let's move. Wow. Right away. Fresh. Metallic beds, Joe, you know. That's how border town looks like. Sineda touches that kind of coconut. Imagine, guys, I had to other side to buy this. Okay, look even at this side here. So we're heading to other side right there. Okay. You see that motorbike? Okay, here. Yes. Gawachiro man, makuri mara 250 anaiba out to header. I think this one here fix this, you know. Wow. Eh? Okay? Oh, hang guys, we need to open. Let me finish first, bro, and then I will fix this. Yeah. This one here is something mess out. You know. Look. Ege kugamba. Maya tambara hayo nambara hiyo pamoja. See, this one is totally messed up. We fixed the new one here. Zina mishi mchini biuma ndani more. Zero nani clips.
Which clips are good? Make kinukore kode thoma mambo. Easy.
Tibimo. Ngani kama ziko ndani. Ziko.
Ya bro kotengo kebriti.
Yiri bro. Kana mimi niko tuko tena.
Ubere kipo.
Ule kipo na hapo hiyo.
How do you see Christoph?
The machine is now totally complete.
Okay. Alright guys, after from the garage I bring my bike to the car wash. You see the car wash right here, electronic car wash. So this is my bike here, so we need to wash it and then it looks clean, guys. You just wait and then you see. Look how it looks like. So, and then I go with the second stuff, you know. Look. Totally mess. That was the box here now. We go. Show your box.
When is it up?
Go get up the hair. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and then watch my bike. I'm telling you guys, it's something hectic, but it is what it is. That's my brother.
Yeah. You told me that I opened the channel.
Yeah, you open maybe. If you wish you wanna open.
Okay, today I'm going to open.
Okay. Wow. So right now, guys, I was remaining 0,000 because I spent $50 for renovating my bike, buying new stuff, you know, putting the gas, and even, guys, I haven't finished it. But when I get money, I'll try to look those covered, and then I fix on the tank, on the seat, and both side. You know, that one is too old. One is too old. Yeah, man. Anarakateme. Koba kuse kwanza nani here. Bruno. That's my dog. That's my dog. Yeah, I'm back home and I'm playing with my dog, guys. You know, wow. Yeah, it's super clean, guys. You can see right here, super clean. You know, I love my dog. You know, you miss me. I was not around at home like 6 days. You know, close to 1 week. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
Hey. Snapdragon.
Yeah.
Manchester United.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself, man.
Yeah, guys. Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon. It depends the time you're watching this video. My name is Samuel Muita. Yeah. Actually, today is on Saturday. I am around here. Yeah. So now I'm preparing to go to church to do some cleanness. You know, by tomorrow it's on Sunday. We must attend the mass. Yeah.
All right, guys. In case you don't know him, he's my real brother. Actually, I'm the firstborn, and then we have the secondborn. So for him, it's our thirdborn. You know, like it's he was following me right twice. You know, so we're supposed to clean our yard today, but probably I'm going to see the guy who ride my bike. You know, when I arrived at home, immediately my bike, my cousin spoiled my bike, and I do what? I do renovation, you know, like service here and there, you know. So I'm going to see that guy. There's a videos, guys. Actually, you see that videos where while I'm wearing another different shirt. So that's my brother, and I think Monday is not on school. Yeah, it's a holiday.
Holiday.
Yes, we clean our yard. Yeah. All right. When I'm back at home, it's every day it's activity, you know. So how was your bicycle? I didn't see you riding the bicycle. What's going on?
My bicycle is okay, but some brakes they need to be fulfilled.
Okay.
Yeah.
By Monday, after we finish cleaning our yard here, you see me after the work completed. You see me. I give you some maybe some cash. You go and then you renovate. I need to see you enjoying. You know, enjoying soft life. You know, when God bless us, you know, let's appreciate every day. You know, at the same time I'm riding my bike here. Also, you wanna ride your bicycle, and you are lucky enough. Right now you have a nice bicycle ever. You know, so for me, guys, I'll show you the work we're supposed to do maybe by Monday, because tomorrow is on Sunday, and my brother, he wanna attend the church masses have been said earlier. So after these videos, guys, I'm going to see the guy to his home, and then we wanna do some Actually guys, I'll pin that videos here on today's videos, and then the following videos guys you'll see. And guys, please, in case you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, Road to Success. You know, check out Felistas on YouTube channel. She do an amazing videos, like village life, cooking, you know. So at this particular time guys, the time was so limit. Right now guys, at the time I'm so confused. It's about time to build, you know. So right now I'm waiting the guy to harvest the maize, and then boom. But I saw in the comment section people say, hello baby, you show us everyday home, border town. Guys, I have been in Mombasa. If maybe you missed my videos, please go and watch there. I spent there like 6 days. That's 1 week in Mombasa. Go and watch my videos. It's time to back in my village building. You know, I have one subscriber said, oh hello baby, everyday border town. Go and watch my videos, enjoy the vibe in Mombasa, you know. So you go to church, or you are around here?
No, I'm going just now.
Have you taken anything?
Yeah.
Because you take heavy breakfast as you go.
Yeah.
Okay, I wish you safe journey. So that's my bike guys, and I try to imagine, yesterday I washed and it's raining. Look, I'm tired of washing the bike. You know, let me go and check whether one of the jacket or two have been dried enough, and then go. You know guys, in case you're watching these videos, my name is Hello Baby Official. I'm just come from my home here, east to west. Home is the best, you know. So subscribe to my channel, you know. I know I have the solid subscribers out there who watch my videos, but I didn't subscribe. Please, if you're watching my videos, subscribe guys. Kindly guys, subscribe. You know, this journey is tough, but if you're supporting me by watching my videos, I'm ready to go. So I missed this jacket, but it's not dried enough. You can see on the there's water. Whoa. Even this one. Yesterday I wear this jacket, like this sweater, and then it's deep east, but it's raining. So I think right now I wanna wear it, but it's like it haven't dried enough, you know. So guys, anyway, let me go and see whether I can find that guy to his home, and then man, I haven't shot my videos ever going this side, but today I'll decide, you know, to go that way. Yeah, when I renovate that bike, it give my mama some maybe a little bit, maybe cash, like $2 per day, and then that $2 mama use maybe to buy veggies, to do this, maybe to do the honest its own stuff, you know. So probably let's go guys, as we watch these videos, enjoy to the end, you know. Let's go. That's my sweet home. That's the maize come right here. You know, when I'm around here, you wanna see green everywhere. So let's go guys. Let's go guys. And then imagine the borehole collapse, and it's about time to build. But before I build guys, I'll work on the borehole to get water for the construction guys, you know. So I can't manage to buy materials, to buy water for the construction, man, it's hectic. So when I finish maybe to bring some materials, I'll put my struggle down and then start working on the borehole to buy carabats. Alright, Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Okay, Mom. Guys, actually today, live with my mama, the man just called that my mama calling me from Mombasa is to make my bike. Alright? Kazi yangu arudisha pikipiki haina mafuta, imeharibika, pesa hajaleta. So guys, what I'm telling my mama in Swahili, I'm meaning this. My cousin returned my bike. He spoiled my bike. He didn't give my mama 4 days without reporting money. And then, you know, I need to renovate it, guys. Actually, the video is coming. Sister, say hello. You good? Mama, she was going to tie the cow. Wow, Mama, so. Hey, Jabani, say hello.
Hello.
You good? Hey, that's my sister, guys. I'm back. High five. Hey, I'm back. Yeah, guys. When I'm around at home, my family feel good, man. Feel good. Actually, to see me around, you know. And me, I'm so proud of myself. You know what I'm doing here today. Bagui City. Mwambie nitakuja nimpige. Mwambie atujinga. Guys, there's some people making chaos at home, and then you know, our family is somehow large. You know, we have our cousin, my aunt, my uncles, and then the kids are quarreling like whoa. So guys, that being said, this video that I made here, all shooting every day, at least, you know, we have a good vibe. And then maybe at the end of the month, I have maybe, let me say, $100 per month, and then roughly $100. And then maybe I decide, okay, let me buy maybe sand, this and this. So guys, by keep supporting, watching my videos daily by day, at least guys, at least I do something good. When I do like, oh yeah, let's go guys. But the sun is outside. Maybe I didn't wipe my camera. All right, let's go. Let me go and see whether I can find that guy. I'm short, guys. On the shot of this one here, you know, it tells you in our home here, even right now, it's somehow a little bit cold, you know. Let's go. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. To build a mansion or a bungalow in our village, it's not an easy thing, you know. You need maybe to buy materials here and there. And actually even right now, I didn't manage to buy enough cement, you know. Wow, let's go. That's the motorbike. So I need to have 100 bags of cement and then to start. Right now guys, I have around 40 bags of cement in the hardware. So I need to add 6th bag. I was shooting my videos going this way, but at this side here, it was my very first time heading this way. And the people around in my village here maybe didn't like to see like I myself filming my videos, you know. That's the car right there. Let's go guys. Let's go. Let's go. Actually, one of the women from this home quarrel and then bring conflict about my brakes, but it's time to return my money back, you know. It's time. See my, oh yeah, well, Alright guys, let's go. That's the maze con right here. And this is the kind of roads that we have here. You know, look. Like guys, this village life, don't mind. Look. For sure, I need to walk carefully because when I walk maybe roughly, I will fall down because at that time some roads are very, very slippery, guys. You know. See, guys. Look. To walk carefully, guys. Others maize are dried. So that being said, guys, the guy is supposed to return my money this month because we are in the month of June. So right now maybe we're remaining with around maybe, let me say 24 hours to start a new month. You know, that's the month of June. So he think the month of June can't reach. So this month he's supposed to return my money, $300. And then I take that money, I bought cement. Who knows? Okay. That's a nipple grass. And when you see that trees, guys, when I was a kid, we're supposed to eat some fruits right there. In our vernacular language known as Chintavuro. You see right here, we spend like it's a lot. We eat. Even we're gonna run from the school, coming back to hiding here, you know. Let's go. Let's go, guys, and check it out. Wow, and a great one of our grandpa here. Kaba, quick get on. Hey, terrible bus. Oh, Tony, my me quabehan. Touch. I saw my hat to be Gingira. Guys, he was shaving the beards. Gingira to my neck ever never. You go bed. To my in local. They are my quab. They're trying your hands. Okay, guys, he was basking the sun or glooming the sun. I don't know. So let's see. It's basking the sun or glooming. I don't know, guys. Me, I think it's basking the sun. You know, it's to bask. See, didn't it? Yeah, I need to hear that. Yeah? Yeah. Taga pa makibirokog. Para ring. Ano mo ba andiri? Limi mo pare. Pare bi mo pare. My guy who was listening Jamaican song, guys. I don't like copyright. Yeah.
Ano mpinya tu, ingana pinya wako.
Tamu fidi. Yono ni ring ara ko. No. Uwaro agir har huns.
Huns uchana.
Ni ko temba kai.
Seheben kuiko bana nkunya harande kwa.
Irenga uko
15.
Kebero ring.
Tikebra hano halingi.
Bagahar.
Ha yukebra halinga manyanya.
Ndanyori mukabe.
Bigi habe. Mukabe na sedi ga sheni rifia kuya.
Huh?
Atigiri bigi boli. Ageni rifia kuya.
Say, guys, you remember this face? He was the guy who dig my septic tank. Nenda by septic tank mutuke. Matru hutuk.
Kono. Esa tu sisi.
Okay, guys, because he was the one who dig my septic tank where I built my toilet. Yeah. And I told them when I dig, I need them to dig my mama's septic tank for the house. Village life. Hi, Tiamuma. Hi, Nara. Usinone number.
Tish.
Yeah, you can make his call. These are jembe, guys. Oh my God. Huh? Guys, look, safari ant, it's biting me, guys. It's crazy. Oh my God. See, guys, it's biting me, you know. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Yeah. So guys, I was supposed to see one of my friends who ride my bike. Right now, guys, I exchange, you know. We need people who are serious, who needs money. So I give one of my friends within here, and I shoot the videos when he got married, guys, you know, having a wife. Huh? Having a wife. So let me go and see, because my friend telling me like he was passing here going that way. All right. So guys, oh yeah, man, all right, guys, when I go back home, I didn't find one of my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
How was your bike?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So today we decide maybe to cover the bike. You see how it looks like?
Yes.
Or we put a new battery, so we can maybe the starter can work.
Yeah.
So you are the one who chose me. Maybe the best option is to put the cover. Starter will work maybe. If you need a starter to be work, you put the new battery here.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Unanyota.
Kawaito.
Hey.
Kana tengo te mbaki bako te biri.
Yo hetere ne idifia ko kuyega.
Kana bendo na arna idifia ko na.
Okay, guys. I'm telling him in the morning I went to his home. I didn't find him.
Yeah.
But I found the motorbike. Yeah. So guys, you must be very serious for those people who need money. You know? I see my brother here. Halhon Surahamad. Temeran. Hey. My brother is feeding the cow. You good? Hey, you are taller than me. But guys, my brother take care of our cows. You see right here. Village life. All right, let's go. Guys, I put the poo for dog. Whoa. Guys, I step on the poo for the dog. Okay, let's go. Wow. Hello. All right, guys, let's go. I left home. Hours, guys, my video is on motorbike, you know, nothing to be changed. Hey. Whoa. Right. Nerorato re yo você? Hã?
Yo ko ni si.
No rama ni hinchi. Okay. So maybe we decide to put for acid battery, or it's lithium, maybe powder battery. It's powder or lithium. I don't know, guys. The car grazing here. Boom. It's time my man to return back. I'm telling you guys, you know. There's an napier grass here. Mitoto kimbia shule jamani. Usituchele. Yeah, I'm telling one of the young students, run to school or else you'll be late. Yeah, come on. Let me hold. Yeah. Hey, let's go. Ano baka boda. Yeah. Yeah. Garanego. Akini mulingiri hayo hadi. I see the road is coming. Be very careful. Hey. Hey. Here. Oh my God. Anyway, that's the station that we are passing here, guys. Whoa. Man's gone on this side here. And I'm telling you guys, this is my first motorbike. Alright guys, so right now we are on this tarmac road here. And it connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. I'm telling you guys, you know, East Africa, you know. Wow. So for this case, let's go to town and I fix my bike. Also my brother here, they can run easily. So this is border town, so the bike needs to have the starter. If you see the customer, it's like let's move. Right. So today guys, it's on a Saturday and I'm shooting these videos. So wow, look at that. Let's go. Baru cek dah kira kinyang. Nah, kita mere live. Bagaimana yang buta pak otak kuna mandas? Yakin nggak mau nongol kuhira. Yeah. Me guys, I wonder. You see how Africa works so hard? We are purely farmers. Look, bags of maize here. You know, trucks everywhere bring maize here. You know. Wow. Share right there. Let's go. But I mean what I believe guys, in Africa, maybe so just a minute guys. Wow. Maybe in Africa we're just working so hard. But in terms of having like invest, ngora baba. You know, look. Yeah. Ni chere uchika. Koma oge. Tukivuli. Betri gani mzuri. Yagichi. Yapi nao. Tiga cara kode gasokoro rebego gesakabora. Nga? Kapu tuambie betri ni gani mzuri baba? Nikate bestata. Yesterday. Monday habari. Yaani umepiga luku mura. You see the tallest like South African guy. Oh, badai. Yeah, on this game you need to have an expert who know which battery is supposed to fix. Kana badi gatukwe. Hello. Kana hutura tui. This way. I think yeah. Hapa. Niko kwa. So this is the battery here. It's a brand new, super round. So I think this one, it can work on starters. And then I'll fix this. Wewe nipe tu anaika. Hizi mbani nyepesi bana. Si zile ngumu.
Zile ngumu ni hizi.
Yaani kama hizo yenye ukishika ni ngumu.
Mzee.
Let's see guys. Wewe broka.
Kano kai gora kien.
Yeah.
Ni ado msi.
Anente biro nigamushonere ibi bingi mambe ni start agutu.
Bono.
Sasa hii
Umanyirika kano.
tunatengeneza one by one.
Maga kano. Kano. Hapa atoka ashone kano kai goro bene. Unaona unajua kana unaona kimeenda chini sana mawe. Sasa kana takiwa kayako ka control.
Sasa mimi ni yangu ilikuwa hiyo goriri ingewekwa tushone kitu kama hiyo. Sasa ungeweka hii. Hatungeweka hii. Wenda amesema
uko tacha nguruande ronde ntera na
weka hii ndio nije nipate tena pesa. Njenyo ritanege kwa.
Unaona kenda. Ulima yataka tu wewe naka tunata na kansho ni nusu. Yataka roke goro bene.
Sasa pesa haiko hiyo nusu. Chimichi chare honja kwa. Kama ni kuburi kosho na seveta ambige vitu.
Napenda vitu maganya.
Sasa atu fixe bien
Sema mawe anga bino, kama mawe fix chikwa uche.
Era mbako bena tarate wewe. Ate betiri ntora fixe bien. Sector bichi breve tutti.
Ore mai.
Ya?
Ora mawe ta ku fix imbe.
Bora ibiroka tora ambista tetem.
Ora baba.
Yeah guys, you see? This one is totally mess.
Unaona pia turi nayo.
Inapiga sasa hizo chuma walivunja.
Gani nayo ngenda ko create na nyumba chiko.
Okay. Tani ngiri bintu ngenda. Nigani anda turi bintu bene biran kuse ko pigi.
Ya ko turi bintu bano mimo no bina ko fato.
Oh. Manuel. Somo. Tehi chuaji mulisho atemere ko.
Tuno toro songo mo mana atemista. Tem. Dama. Itu sih ya. Cek gitu mah.
Musen ya hori.
Ne horo.
Hor mangini muam. So this one is total mess, no clips, and then you can't let me start. Lakini ile wewe sasa nioni nimechomoka hapa man. Ile ilikuwa hapa. Maybe ihangi sehemu ipige. Maana ya renge hana. Tema ene kulenge.
Hola.
Ona hii mura. Uwe. Mai wange wewe start kuchomeka.
Tuongea. Ni sawa?
So right.
Hai.
Wange ogeno.
Washuka hivi. Hai. Kunyiri toka ver no we. Mbona mani ya kiwemu kwere wanana. Karame ame za kwere we. No moment wana sasa ni wangu.
Moment. Ya ko kora to ka baka he. Yora ra gera. San.
Muka kora tunu muki ipichara kori bibi.
Oi.
Ngako.
Tingana nawe.
Akambeni kumure puni masu. Kule kana.
Tang konde tera manganaga.
Akambi guys. Era mo kori pijimu.
Oi.
Wano muto na kora kamuti. Atuna.
Yale mo irizere kunyeri renge han.
Rogerera que no get tore yoko.
Sia.
Rogerera que no get tore.
Ari kis kaini mo robe no muja onda.
Bago to anchi en patte 200. Tio ke mohari jini suguro puya neire dawa. Mai bro kat hitire wayan hanno.
Ande tiri.
No ni bro.
Ma ora kinge semire.
Yeah. Kaba. Eh.
Kubu agero chebosi eta sikiro hayo.
Na roche.
Ema amwena ka corriente kama kile.
Ke? Ngoi. Kitu gani? Si umulete sasa.
Acha kwanza tuone. Piga sasa hapo. Wati kila chumuri no bako tikira chumu wote misa. Wati kila. Kwanza mari. Ata ankuri mere tangera lenta. Kwanza ngotem. Atem. Kwanza ungani maburashi kanya.
Tarata mbikyo mos awambi nkobire.
Yapa.
Esarete chuma. Kamursho na korbu funde boy. Guys, the first guy that I gave my motorbike, look what he did to my bike, guys.
Sikana ancora cinci gani. Masih apa tuh? Ada mati. Makanya ini yang kulit. Emang berasi. Tidak. Aku sih gak buat. Berasi sih pasang. Siapa di sini? Ayo taate, ada mau perubahan.
Hey, be careful. Ili bro kero ya cheko sana.
Mwambie mzee huyo mzee. Akupoteza yani zile kitu za kufunga kwa beti.
Wewe ndio mwambie akupuje.
Mzee ndai hapa, ndai kumwale beti.
Kama unataka kuchikiripsi cha kupa kwa beti.
Sasa tutafanyaje? Tunataka tufunge waya hapo hivi. Alafu tufunge na hapa na skuru. Tuni kwa hii. Sio kwa nataka nimtengeneze hapa nina pesa hapo mbele. Hai. There's some accident going right there, guys. What the massage? Hey, tá todo seguro, erro. Nossa. Tem coisa de pino, quase tem coisa de pino. Andi Miriam. Sasa kitu ngepitishia hapa kwanza. Kana kitu tunohetiana ili pro.
I think right now my bike is okay. Jump start. Hey. Hey. Okay. Let's go. Aye. Peka him, man. My name is motorbike. Hey. Hey, that's David Jr. Right there. All right. Let's go. Right. So it's time to go back home. Guys, right now I'm back home with this fast battery that I remove on my bike because the clips are not working, and then the start are not like to jump start, you know. So we need to fix new battery and all stuff, you know what I mean. So this super run, you know, I was in Border Town, and actually I'll fix the videos which I made when I arrived home, and then I fixed the bike, you know. The video is there, guys, so don't mind you see me on this shirt, and then next time you see me on a next t-shirt, you understand, you know. So let's move. This is what I'm calling home. Wow. Hey guys, when I'm around at home, you know, every day is to fix things here and there, fixing things here and there, you know. So this is manufactured by Sichuan. Hey, made in China. All right. Yike. Hi. My dog are making noise inside. Maybe somebody entered. Let's see. I bought my battery. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey, hii haina shida. Kiabaya turosongo. Kimbia tu fungua kisima. Natana, ha? Mama si yuko hapo. Hai. Pere. Tiende turosongo. Imagine guys, my borehole collapsed, and then now we need to fix it. Hey. So let me return this inside. When I'm around home, man, a lot of things need to be fixed up, you know. So this one here, I'll keep it inside my store, you know. That's how my house looks like, guys, during daytime, you know. I put there. I need to charge my phone right now. Alright, it's remaining with one bar. So let's fix my phone there, and then it's charging right now, you know. So I'm looking the key for the borehole, guys. But anyway, that's some challenges that I pass in here and there, you know. When I'm around home, that is it, you know. Sometimes to be a firstborn, guys, hey, you know. Can Sasi a week. Manchi katareng mo kita na makachiri korakam.
Getare hanen san. Chanda chini ojumaine hayo. Nachini chini siri chawa sikera.
Kinanga kereke bomo kereke handa.
Wade mancha no ga ichoe. Futi kumiga guichara gutse koronta ukungain. Hey. Hey! Oh!
Chini siri. Ndachembo heko irigana kurusiri cyane chira. Ndachiruse keroro kya mancha haitiangana.
Amanje. That's why mata ito na mona maru. Nenta kito yung mencheru buko. Kani chure mama na tori kita kana mata kito kang mancha kapta. Uchiwa kapenye mpaka katsirigo.
Lakini akore pitake salama. Ipitange atikire futi 20.
Pitake saro.
Omuchawa ari Duvesko skuli. Kanisa Duvesko.
Manye.
Nge izikire futi 20 ukuyandani. Sinto kifukuimba kankimera.
Asema kionge iga.
Kana kani kionko botoka kere gatigiriro barasekera ria hansi. Hansi hara hogeta goteka. Hara kwansi futi ta ine guchego. Ketaga teka. Manu kada mancha ara hogari. Na mana isime kana mancha gutiri go gacha hika hase.
Hatota.
Hano ge ikaye ho. Asara haruta manche gari. Hana manche gari umubasoko para. Kawansa kuro komaro
manche ka gosekera.
Kasa para ka gosekera para rateka. Para ka gosekera para kira kya manche agara heta.
Sasa no kya gacha mbakigo.
Han kirahi ke kwanza to kya gacha mbakahara. Yete kire. Kichoke sasa kibenda isiko ichindi gichino. Sasa ndo koron kira tire mbake igoro.
Mayoro hano na hako.
Ndeka mbeho hayo. Lakini hasa harkerenge.
Kagacho kama futi 15.
Kakoro futi 15.
Usitokori nusu ya kagacho 20. 20 chitano.
Mahi roba. Ndago bado mtu asenda kwa hivi roba na maborere. Ni hagacho mo tata makabu ndo manyere.
Zima keno.
Makona higa chari si kwa mavira Canada ha.
Sima keno. Kinata manche ne machine venendo tulia tema ya kwa hagachi nyumba.
Anapenda mashini wa kwa sawa.
Gisima kwa bachota kubaneta usigiga totoro muntu asombe kurwa.
Mancha wasomba kwa kogora makongo.
Sasa no achuchoke ma.
Ichana semcheni chinsiri. Na chanse keremba kandani.
Abitaka chiri obile.
Nta. Ntaga so haku gisima ntani.
Asiwa manche gachere. Tachuma hemo gari. Tachuma manche mogari. So guys, Mama she told me like no water. I'm telling him you just come and then we see. Because when I arrived home there's no water.
Nanyage tukire kike fona kera manche.
Asa manche ga penyere ga chirigo.
Asa ga penyere mu.
Kwani gara?
Nga penyere.
Asa icho. Na tincha. Ya esto mahiga hangana higeta meyo. Ndeko mbyanke ngifu.
Ora mukiro na gambiga. Yapo mokere kuruanse kigaika kubita ga chirigira futi nane.
Futi nane.
Haombe ho manche ga hiki.
Kuruanse.
Na kuikano keru kuruanse manche hoga kuika futi nane.
Futi nane. Ndeko mtankira ngifu.
Chwana na pimiru rusiri agapima kemonda.
Tatu biri mumu agatuka futi anga 35.
Di mumu ndi atukire futi 35 ngentanyi futi 10.
Atahikiri 10.
Kanyetai.
Tahikiri 10. Futi 6.
Okay agacha tuka.
Bagambe achiki futi 45 ketahiki.
Manche kiringa 41.
Ote higa. Urinto umebanta boba tukire kerenge yabanse nkahagacha.
Akora ambigo kumambo to hagacha. Tutumanda tino masene onte uchuke ke mahero nyore. Temanga matafaya na makungare.
Kayo na mahoro. Tawa kama.
Ai.
Tawa mbaka kama. Kuna mahoro kama.
Upate ufunguo. So guys, he told me let's go and see the bricks. Because instead of using other stuff, look guys. 5 years. Village life. Pushing water. Hey. Hey. If we just want to make start. Scripts change up on you. Can I bet you in the tutorial? Guys, I need to buy waterproof 8 bags of cement, labor money. Oh, hey. This here. But let's see, I'll manage it, guys. Sima kwa kare amba amasenti. Uchako kyo hera wiki ni chimbire. Lakini kurora tana tabu.
Wago kyo hera.
Era ukyo hera na isiro hera muteni rongunyora nko muhanda.
Hanga ikukuru sia mora mugora gomo.
Alright guys, there's some bricks here, and maybe we're gonna buy it from here and then deliver it back to home, you know. So from here to my home it's closer rather than buying maybe from Nyabohansi. Alright guys, I have already checked the bricks, so maybe in case I want to, like, guys, I'm thinking I'm 50-50. Maybe I'll go and buy maybe Karabat or reconstruct the borehole from the ground by using bricks. But I think when I get money, guys, I'll do that. So the car, like, I'm making love here. Alright, so right now they're full, you know. Yeah guys, I fixed this one happened, but in this world, as a human being, you want to pass challenges here and there, right, left, centers, you know. So maybe guys, maybe let's see how our days go. So yesterday we put the thorns here, you know. So wow, so right now you can see like no cows like stepping on top, you know. This one here, guys, are very delicate. So guys, may think I want to end my videos, and I want to say thank you for everybody who watching my videos, and for my new subscriber, thank you so much for welcoming this channel. So show me some love, guys, you know. To build a house in Africa, especially in my village where I came from, it's not an easy thing, you know. You need to grind so hard every day, you know. And me, I said, God, thank you, because I'm blessed. I wake up in the morning shooting the videos and people watching. But guys, if you find my videos, any videos that have ads, guys, don't skip. Watch that ads, see the end. Maybe at least at the end of the month I do something which are commendable, everybody can see here and there. So you heard from other side, the borehole collapsed. So when I left home going to Mombasa, I didn't left mama in a good situation, like fetching water. So at this moment we went to the river fetching water, and actually I myself, I do a videos, go to the river fetching water, and I show you guys. So to having water around our home, it's good, and then it helped me to build the house, so like to avoid expenses of buying water every day here and there. So guys, me, I'm ending my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and also check out Felicitas. So guys, we shall meet on the next videos. I love you guys. Bye.